Unity is strength. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived an old farmer named Ahmed. He had 4 sons, but they were always fighting with one another. They argued over small things, refused to help each other, and never worked together. Their constant fighting made the farmer very sad and worried. Ahmed was growing old and weak. One day, he called his sons to his bedside. He said, "My dear sons, I am not going to live much longer. But before I go, I want to teach you an important lesson." He asked his servant to bring a bundle of sticks tied tightly together with rope. He handed the bundle to his eldest son and said, "Try to break it." The eldest son tried with all his strength, but the bundle would not break. Then the second, third, and fourth sons each tried, but no one could break the bundle. Then the old man untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. "Now try," he said. This time, each son easily snapped the single stick in half. Their father looked at them and said, "Do you understand the lesson?" The sons were quiet, thinking. When you were trying to break the bundle together, you could not do it. But when the sticks were separated, they broke easily. This is how life is. If you stand united and help each other, no one can harm you. But if you fight and remain divided, you will be weak and easily defeated. The sons felt ashamed. They understood their father's wisdom and promised never to fight again. From that day onward, they began to work together, support each other, and live peacefully as one strong family. Soon, their farm began to grow and flourish because they shared the work and respected one another. The village people praised the 4 brothers for their unity, and they often told others the story of how their wise father had taught them the power of standing together. Moral of the story: unity is strength. When we are united, we are stronger; divided, we fall.